Welcome to my channel Coding with ADHD. The sole purpose of this channel is to connect with people who are neurodivergent. I know many people out there are struggling in their workspace, feeling stressed, burnout and anxious at the same time. You feel you are stuck in this loop and it's not taking you anywhere. You want to learn new technologies and upskill yourself, but when you get time, instead of learning, you doom scroll whole day and then feel guilty of not doing anything. Don't worry my friend, I am there to help you out. I created this channel to learn, upskill and help people like you. I will start Python series where I will be sharing my Python knowledge every day. It doesn't need to be learning 10 topics in a single day. We will be going slow, understand a topic carefully along with some basic example. In return, I need your support. Please subscribe to my channel, like, share my video and press the bell icon for notification. Till then, goodbye, have a nice day, meet you soon with new topic.